two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Harry Potter sucks! Harry Potter sucks! Harry Potter sucks! War of the Rings rules! War of the Rings rules! My precious! My precious! My precious! War of the Rings won Oscars! Harry Potter's won none! Absolutely nothing! No Oscars for Harry Potter! Harry Potter sucks! Harry Potter sucks! War of the Rings rules! War of the Rings rule! It's the big bad bull! It's the big bad bull! War of the Rings rules! My precious! My precious! Harry Potter sucks! Harry Potter sucks! Too many damn books anyhow! And way too many damn movies! For something that doesn't even win an Oscar! Harry Potter sucks! Harry Potter sucks! Harry Potter sucks! It did not win any Oscars! Harry Potter sucks! And most of the acting is over the top anyhow in Harry Potter! War of the Rings is a better movie! My precious! My precious! My precious! Whether it's the cartoon or the Hobbit, that matter. My precious! War of the Rings is a better movie than Harry Potter. Harry Potter can go suck it! Harry Potter can go suck it! Harry Potter can go suck it! I don't care how many rides it has, or how many computer games it has. War of the Rings has video games and computer games too. But you know what War of the Rings has? Harry Potter doesn't have Oscars! Oscars! And Frozen can go suck it! And so can Titanic! Titanic's way too long! For a story that isn't even true. So, War of the Rings rules. Have a Merry Christmas, but Harry Potter sucks. And so does Titanic. But War of the Rings rules. Yeah! And 8 Mile doesn't deserve the Oscar. It's rigged. He's playing himself. He's not even playing another rapper. F Eminem! Oh, Merry Christmas, everybody. Except you, Mr. Slim Shady. It's the big bad bull. Walk the house with the water roll. Harry Potter sucks and War of the Rings rules. Lord of the Rings rules, Harry Potter sucks! Yeah!